Treehouse Daycare was established on June 26, 2010. So we're running on our second year right now. So the kids here at the daycare come from different barangays nearby, and some are walk-ins. The daycare has been conceptualized by Chap Luipio.
Well, it all started back in 2008 when we started helping different charities and institutions. We started paying for a cause, and then it wasn't until 2010 that we decided to come up with our own daycare instead of just donating and paying for a cause. By making our own daycare, we are able to help, not just by donating, but personally, hands-on help these kids improve their lives.
Vision of the daycare is to make an impact in a positive way. So we want the kids to be the best person that they can be. We want them to discover their strengths and to enrich their skills and talents. We also want them to be a good Filipino citizen. That's why we promote nationalism here at the daycare.
Meron kaming lesson, may math, may science, tapos pag nakapag proper lesson na kami, minsan naman nag-games kami. Usually, yun ang gusto-gusto ng mga bata. Enjoy na enjoy sila.
Founder, Chap Luipio, is a volunteer firefighter here in Muntinlupa, and our fire chief, Major Roy Aguto, is very much involved in different activities such as the daycare. We think that the fire station is the most logical place to put the daycare at. Delivery boys coming at you, giving you your daily dose of happiness and joy and love. 'Cause even though we don't know you, believe in yourself.
Gusto ko po sa daycare, lagi po kami pinapasaya. Tsaka po minamahal po kami kahit di po kami kadugo. Gusto ko po sa daycare, lagi po kaming pinapasaya, tas po lagi po kami
Nagustuhan ko naman yung first time na nag-visit ako dito. Na-touch agad yung heart ko ng mga bata. Listen to the midnight scream.
Gina-guide nga sila isa-isa, and then parang sa akin, fulfillment na rin sa akin yung kasi nagawan ko sila ng isang magandang bagay na hindi pa nila na-experience. Nakita ko yung mga bata, masaya silang kasama, masarap silang turuan, and hindi lang ikaw yung nag-share ng knowledge mo sa bata kasi kahit sila, yung mga simple things, natuturuan ka din nila in a way.
Every session is a memorable experience for me because in every session, every one of us was given the chance to help and to make an impact in our own small way. So every session is a humbling and overwhelming experience because we're given the chance to share our blessings to other people, and also it's very rewarding because we'll be able to help other people.
Yung mga bata, nakita mo sila na masaya, tapos natutulungan mo sila, tapos nagte-thank you sila sa'yo. Super unexplainable yung feeling. Kahit na malayo yung sa place namin, may sacrifice, and we love volunteering here para sa mga kids na.
Kaya ako nag-volunteer kasi malapit ang puso ko sa mga bata.
Masaya naman, nung nagpunta ako, nasayahan ako, exciting. So, ayun, nag-volunteer ako kasi meron naman akong time, hindi naman ako busy.
I did volunteer at Treehouse Daycare because I want to share the blessings I have in my life. Nag-volunteer ako kasi gusto kong makatulong sa mga bata sa pamamagitan ng nalalaman.
Oh, I am a volunteer because by profession, I am a teacher. And I have always this passion and I've always wanted to help and somehow teach the kids and share the knowledge that I have.
I want to invite everyone to volunteer at the Treehouse Daycare located at the Muntinlupa Fire Station. It happens every Saturday. If you want to know more, please like Treehouse Daycare's page at Facebook, and we hope to see you there.
Let go. I'll catch you, then I'll break your fall. I'll be your